In this video, I will show you how to create two Telegram accounts with the same number. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. As we all know, Telegram only allows one phone number to be used to create just one account. And once that is done, it's going to link that phone number with that account. But if you are in a situation where you are only having just one phone number and you still need to create two accounts, then this is what you need to do. You just need to open your Telegram app, click on the three dot icon, click on this drop down menu, and then click add account. So once you get here, what you need to do is to go into any of your browser. Once you are in your browser, what you have to do now is to search for get virtual phone number. So that's what you need to search for. So once you search for this, it's going to bring up different websites that you can actually use to purchase a virtual phone number. So what you have to do is just purchase any virtual phone number from any of these sites. And then once you are done doing that, then come back to your Telegram app and then impute that your number that you actually got from the virtual website. So once you impute the number in here, it's going to send the code to that virtual number and then you'll be able to activate a second account. So if you are ever in any situation where you need to open a second account and you're having just one number available, this is the best trick that you can actually use to activate your second account. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.